All right, this segment is sponsored by Mount Pleasant Magazine. Today we highlight the best of Mount Pleasant, and you voted Advanced Animal Care Mount Pleasant as one of the best vets in town. Dr. Megan Hardy is here along with Stacy McLaughlin with much more. Good to have you ladies on the show with us.
Good morning.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Now, Stacy, how many years has ACC been voted the best veterinarian or finalist best of veterinarians in Mount Pleasant?
Actually, 8 years.
8 years in a row now?
Which
Wow.
is amazing.
So how many of these years, of course, you got voted in, and then how many years are the top?
Oh, I at least 3 or 4.
Yeah.
So I'd have
That
to.
sounds about right. Yeah.
Just getting voted is perfect anyway.
It's such an honor for sure.
We honor all the winners. So but you're definitely in the top.
Yeah.
Past 8 years.
So people will know exactly where you're located. Where is that?
We are in North Mount Pleasant, right next to Crush Yard, actually, that new pickleball place that's coming in. So we're in that little shopping center there.
Pickleball's taking over.
Yeah, it is.
Let's talk about the best veterinarian finalist of 2023. You're the perfect person to ask about the dental health, so important for our four-legged friend members. A lot of people don't think about that.
Yes, for sure. And when we're looking at the overall dog and cat, one of the best things that we can do for them preventative-wise is that dental health. Dental health affects so much more than we really realize with that oral cavity. Oftentimes we can actually see effects from kidney, liver, heart, and so keeping that oral cavity nice and healthy and clean and pain-free is real important.
Is there a certain breed or age that we need to really look at so far as dental care needs a little bit more dental care, or teeth that may be decaying a little bit quicker just because of the age or the breed?
Great question. I've actually seen reports now that show that 2/3 of animals by the time they're age 3 of dogs and cats are showing dental disease already. And so even though we aren't seeing it as significant at that age, we're definitely still seeing signs of it. So real important to watch out for that.
What are some of the things that an owner, a pet owner, can do at home to help out with their animals' dental care?
Yes. So number one thing is teeth brushing. And I know you're looking at me like you're crazy, right? How are you going to do that? There's all sorts of resources online for toothbrush. They make doggy toothpaste that's peanut butter flavored, dental chews. Really the number one thing that I recommend to all of our clients is to check out Veterinary Oral Health Council. They have a lot of really great resources for everything you can use at home.
Veterinary Oral Health Council. Oh, that is pretty cool. Do you find, and this is not trying to be funny, but do you find that when the animal, the dog or the cat, starts to get used to the brushing, do they prefer the electrical toothbrush or the regular toothbrush?
My favorite, honestly, to recommend is a finger brush. The finger brush makes it really easy, and I found that most of our clients find that time to actually get the daily brushing done is so beneficial. They really enjoy that bonding time, so I love it.
Is it just once a day, you think, or for us, dentists recommend 3 times a day for 2 minutes?
So twice a day, that's a great gold standard. Realistically, I think once a day is an awesome goal. But any more than that,
Fantastic. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Congratulations. 8 years in a row, either being nominated or number 1.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Your pet's next vet visit can be comfortable and relaxed thanks to our fear-free certified veterinary team. Here are some things we do differently. Because pets can experience fear, anxiety, or stress upon arriving at the hospital, we have implemented processes and procedures to help prevent and minimize this. We use cat and dog pheromones throughout our hospital. People can't smell them, but they may have a calming effect on your pet. Music designed to induce calmness and relaxation in cats and dogs is used throughout the hospital. Our fear-free certified veterinary team members will initially avoid eye contact with your pet and focus on you instead. This helps your pet feel less stressed and gives him time to check out his environment. Unless there is a medical reason not to, we will be giving your pet many small but delicious treats throughout the visit. This provides a welcome distraction and will help your pet create happy memories associated with the visit. We perform exams and as many procedures as we can in the exam room. This allows your pet to stay in an environment he's started to get comfortable in. Your presence may also provide reassurance to your pet. If you prefer not to see certain procedures, such as those involving needles, you have the option to step out of the room. Your pet will be offered a non-slip surface to stand on. Not being able to get one's footing can certainly cause some anxiety. Even when all these measures are taken, some pets still have a very difficult time at the vet. For these pets, we will prescribe anti-anxiety or other calming medications or supplements to help make the car ride and the visit more enjoyable and less frightening for your pet. Our veterinary team members will note what treats and techniques worked best to prevent and alleviate your pet's fear, anxiety, and stress. This will help make future visits even better. Fear-free doesn't mean that your pet will never experience anything uncomfortable when he visits us. He may be injured or ill after all, but it does mean that we make every effort to reduce any fear, anxiety, and stress related to examinations and procedures.
What's not to love about Mount Pleasant, South Carolina? Whether you're a resident or thinking about moving to Mount Pleasant, learn more about this coastal town. Read Mount Pleasant magazine digitally at readmpm.com or listen to Mount Pleasant podcast at mountpleasantpodcast.com. It's the perfect way to learn more about the town people love to call home.